Happy Tuesday. Happy late Tuesday. I'm sorry that this did not happen this morning. It has been a full day, and I do have some construction going on, so I've been waiting for a quieter time. So this week, I want to talk about something that, after talking with a number of business owners, they don't know what kind of accounting their business is doing. There are two main kinds, and then there's a hybrid that you can do. But one is cost accounting. So when you make a sale, you record that sale when you receive the payment. When you pay a bill, you record the bill or you record the sale when you receive your payment. You record the bill when you pay it. And then there's accrual. Now, accrual is you record the sale when you invoice. It doesn't matter if when you pay it or when you receive payment. So if you invoice a client today, in accrual, you record that sale today. In cash accounting, you do not record that sale until you receive the payment, the money in your hands. So you could have a receivable sitting on the books for 6 months before, let's say they pay at 6 months. In cash accounting, you have not earned that yet because you have not received the actual payment. So you won't receive that payment until 2024. That is when you will actually earn that sale. In accrual accounting, you will earn that sale today. You just won't see the payment until 2024. So why do you need to know what kind of accounting you are using? If you receive your profit and loss and you're looking at your income and you're thinking, well, wait a minute, I've made a lot more sales this month. Why is my income so low? That means you're probably using a cash basis accounting system and not an accrual basis. Or let's say you look at your bank statement, you're like, well, I had 100,000 in sales this month, but my bank statement is only showing 20,000. Again, it's because you've got accrual. So you're seeing the income, but it's not translating to cash today. So it really helps you understand what your financial statements mean if you know whether you're a cash or an accrual business. A majority of small businesses are cash basis because you're taking that income when you receive the cash and you're paying it. You're entering the expense when you pay the bill. Whereas the accrual, if you get an invoice from one of your vendors and you hold off and wait 30 days, that would still be an August expense, even though you're paying it September. The cash accounting businesses, it would be an expense in September because that's when they write the check. So you definitely need to be involved with your accountant, with your bookkeeper, to decide exactly what system you want to use and how you want to categorize that. And there is some hybrids out there, ways to do the accounting, but you want to make sure, especially if you go with a hybrid, that you're using the same kind every year. If you go to make a change, then that's a permanent change. You can't be an accrual business this year, a cash business next year. The IRS, they're not going to go for that because you're going to be picking what works best for you. You need to just pick a system and move forward with that. And if I have completely confused you, reach out, let's have a chat, and determine you probably are a cash basis business at this point, but we can talk about it, see which would work best for you. Would an accrual work better for you than a cash basis, or vice versa? So reach out, let me know if you have questions about this because it is a very confusing concept. And like I said, a lot of business owners don't even know how their accountant, their tax accountant, CPA, etc., is handling their books. So it's very hard for them to make informed decisions because they don't know how it's going to be reflected on their financial statements. So enjoy the rest of your week. There's a long weekend coming up, and I will see you on Tuesday morning. Have a great week.